Hi, it's Brian Newman with the Spotlight of Business Owner Show, and today we're thrilled to have Jerry's Mobile Auto Maintenance. Hi, you guys. How you doing?
Hey, good morning.
Yeah, it's good to see you. So we're with Ken and Linda. Can you guys let us know who you are, what you do, and how can people get in touch with you?
Absolutely. I'm Linda and this is Ken. We are Jerry's Mobile Auto Maintenance. We bring the auto repair and service to you, whether it's at home, work, play field. Give us a call. We will come out and do your oil change, brakes, diagnostics, and small repairs. We are best reached by phone at 623-670-1481, or you can reach us on Facebook, Jerry's Mobile Auto Maintenance. And remember, let us come to you.
You won't regret it.
Oh, thanks, you guys. Yeah, so they come to your office, they come to your home, they even go to your baseball game if you have one going on. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for
All right,
having
thank you.
us.